Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Memcached is an open source and high-performance distributed memory caching system used to speed up dynamic database-driven web applications. It caches data in memory that are generated from page load requests or API calls. You can use Memcached in PHP-based applications including WordPress and Joomla to run smoothly without much latency. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of installing Memcached on Alma Linux 8. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. By default, the Memcached package is included in the Alma Linux default repository. You can install it by running the following command. After installing Memcached, you can see the installed package information using the following command. You will get the following output. Now, start and enable the Memcached service using the following command. To check the status of the Memcached, use the following command. You should see the following output. By default, Memcached listens on port 11211. You can check it using the following command. You should see the following output. The Memcached main configuration file is located at /etc/sysconfig/memcached. You can configure it as the following. Change the following lines as per your requirements. Save and close the file, then restart the Memcached service to apply the changes. If you are using Firewall on your system, then you will need to allow ports 11211 and 80 through the Firewall. You can allow them by running the following command. Next, reload the Firewall to apply the changes. You can now list all Firewall ports using the following command. If you want to integrate Memcached with a PHP-based application, then you need to install the Memcached extension for PHP. First, install the EPEL and REMI repo using the following command. Next, enable the PHP REMI repository using the following command. Next, install the Memcached extension for PHP using the following command. Once all the packages are installed, you can proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to install the Nginx web server and create a sample PHP page to verify the Memcached. You can install Nginx and other PHP packages using the following command. Next, create an info PHP page. Add the following lines. Save and close the file, then create a symbolic link of the PHP page to the Nginx default web root directory. Next, start and enable the Nginx service to apply the changes. Now, open your web browser and access this URL. You should see Memcached on the following page. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Memcached on Alma Linux 8. You can now use Memcached as a caching database to speed up your PHP-based website and applications.